Hello, my name is Greg Pumpkinhead Lamb. Welcome to Barlow Work Trucks. Today, we're going to talk about a truck we just got in for stock, a brand new 2026 Isuzu NRR. The NRR now comes in gas with an Allison automatic transmission, 19.5 tires, no CDL, just a medical card, 3-man cab. It's got a backup camera, LCD screen, Apple Play radio. This thing's ready to go. Long day for the driver. He'll be happy with all his creature comforts. Backup camera. We got everything here at Barlow Chevrolet Isuzu. We equipped this. You can now get the NRR gas, and you can also get it in a 24-foot body. Great for mattress haulers, furniture guys with a lot of volume but not a lot of weight. You still have a payload of over 9,000 pounds. Also has a side door. It's a Rockport work port. Side door, it's got the polyurethane floor over the hardwood, scuff liner. 3 rows of E-track, so you can load your product from the side. It's 96 inches high, so you got plenty of room. We equipped it. It's an aluminum sheet and post, roll-up rear door, walk ramp. And there's your view from the back here. So, brand new 2026 Isuzu, NRR gas, Allison automatic transmission, over 9,000 pound payload. We finance up to 84 months. We lease up to 72 months. We deliver this truck right to your business with the paperwork at a great price. Give us a call today, 856-461-8400, or go to barlowworktrucks.com. My name is Greg Pumpkinhead Lamb. Thank you for watching.